Y'all, so y'all can see. That truck right there came through here flying, man. I'm talking about flying, boy. That had wing. Red Bull give you wing. Y'all, so y'all can see. That truck right there came through here flying, man. I'm talking about flying, boy. That had wing. Red Bull give you wings. He was doing maybe 15 mile an hour. Clip that. Stop right there. Look back and seeing what he did and just like, all right, fuck it, I already fucked up, and just kept going. Boy, I know his boss gonna tear his ass up, boy. Shee, y'all know what time it is, man. Back to it, another load. Listen, I ain't here to brag, but bro, that's 4 loads. 4 loads in this week alone. We moving, man. We moving. I gotta document it. Plus, also, hey, I told y'all I was working on something in 2 to 3 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks. I better be ready for a big surprise, you hear me? Cause we coming. We coming. But I'm gonna show y'all this little load right here. That's literally it. One more pallet. Woo! Roll with it.
They took it when they got down the road.
Yeah.
All that weight cascaded over and rolled it. You want me to single them or double them up?
Single them. Yes, he told me to stay right here and wait on you to come tell me where to go. So
You didn't have to go nowhere.
okay, do I get a bill of lading?
Go back up to where you checked in at and he'll
Okay.
have the bills for you.
Appreciate it, Bob. Yo, just like that. I had to get the top right. I didn't want to spread out too much. Take these 2 pallets, those 2 pallets, well, 2 axles, 4 axles. Take this up here to Kansas. Y'all cracked my screen the other day messing with y'all, man. Oh, make sure that's lined up like that. Hey, I do not own this music. I just can't go in there and tell them to turn it off. You two, do what you gotta do. So y'all can see the finished work. What I'm gonna show y'all real quick, I just wanna check and make sure everything good. On these axles, I put 2 straps across it, one right here to hold the box. Same thing with this one, hopefully it holds. Cause I still got this on it to keep it in place. But y'all, nah, look, it ain't the best torque job, but it's only 2 little small pallets, y'all can see. And just like that, we're done. Headed to Kansas. Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning. You know how we doing. Told y'all I get y'all a little update. She rolled perfectly fine. As y'all can see, she's still back there. Bro, listen, I woke up. Look at this. That's ice. That's ice. Yesterday it was 60 degrees when I parked. But I knew it was gonna happen, so I ain't even mad at it. Get up here in the morning, go ahead and head over here to Kansas. Hopefully the worst of the storm hit us right here and not over there. And I keep on moving. That's how we're gonna keep bouncing. As y'all can see, look at it. Get a better angle. But look how much snow fell, man. That's a good inch or 2? About a good inch or 2. Only thing that I'm liking about this is snow on the ground. Which y'all can see the road is pretty dry. Like it ain't bad, it ain't slippery. So hopefully there's not no ice over there on the road. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I start scraping this stuff off. Oh, that's black ice, man. Y'all be careful out there on the road, man. Look at all that black ice. Y'all, she scraped off. Everything ready to go. Just look at the truck bed, man. I don't know if y'all can see that crack. That's how much snow we got. Like, look at it. Look how deep that is. But she scraped off, she ready to go. I did my pre-trip and everything. She ready to rock and roll. Just so y'all know I won't be lying to you. This load right here, I picked it up yesterday, headed to Kansas. I'll probably make it to Kansas this morning, or this afternoon, like 4 o'clock. Drop it off Monday, do my reset tomorrow. This load right here paid $2 and some change. It ain't that much, but it's enough to try to put fuel in the truck and make some money to pay bills. And look, it's 2 little pallets. This right here, that right there. Riri ain't even screaming. Let's get it. Woo! Finally made it to the delivery. It's kind of warm, but it got a little wind chill to it. Y'all can see, man, it made it here safely. Another safe trip. But I'm gonna give y'all a game, man. Always check your oil caps. Make sure that they got the proper amount of oil in it. I'm still full. I just say that, man, so you be safe. Hey, when they unload you soon as you get here, ain't no better feeling, man. My guy over there doing his thing, man. Appreciate it. Woo! Made it here safe. Y'all can see the delivery, right? Another safe delivery. But let me say this also. Make sure you checking your equipment. Check the hubs, check the lights. Because if you can prevent it at all costs. You don't want to wait till it's bad to try to fix something. Because that's when you messing up. That's when you're going to spend a lot of money. But y'all see, man, we made it up here to Kansas. Great Bend, beautiful city. Nothing out here. If you ain't country, you probably won't like it. But hey, I love it, man. We're going to end the video with that. O.T.M trucking. Love y'all, man. Keep them tires bouncing, by the way. Keep them tires bouncing. Love y'all.